Hey guys, welcome back to HowToHub. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger at once using the updated 2025 method. Let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app. If you try selecting a chat, you'll notice there's no option to delete all chats at once. To enable this feature, tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you find the option called Report Technical Problem. Tap on it. Here, it will automatically take a screenshot of your current settings. You can delete this screenshot by tapping on the cross icon. After that, type a message to the Facebook Messenger team, such as, "Hello, Facebook Messenger team. I want to delete all of my conversations, including all messages. Please help me delete them at once." Waiting for your response. Once you've typed the message, tap the Send button in the top right corner. Now, all you have to do is wait for a response from the Facebook Messenger team. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to HowToHub for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.